In this video, I'm going to show you how to see when a wallet was funded on Axiom. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker. They also have a reward system which gives you back Solana just for trading. You can set your own presets with your own custom fees, etc. Of course, there's a lot much more, and yeah, go ahead and check it out. So if you actually want to see when a wallet was funded, this has been a new update. You want to go ahead and click on a token. I'm going to go ahead and click on, for example, let's say this token over here. And I'm going to go to holders. This is what you have to click down here at the bottom. And then inside holders, you can see different wallets. And if you hover over this leaf icon, it's going to show you when the wallet was funded. Okay, so this one was like 2 hours ago, this one as well, this one too, etc. Okay, so whenever you go ahead and hover over any of these leaves, it's going to show you when specific wallets have been funded. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.